Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's question I got from one of my subscribers, and here's a question. A sample of bacteria contains 14 cells. The bacteria start to grow exponentially, doubling in number every 16 minutes. Assuming that the bacteria are uninhibited in their growth at this rate, how many cells will there be after 4 hours and 46 minutes? Give your answer to 0 decimal places. And in order to solve this problem, we are going to use this formula. So y equals to c times 2 power t. In this formula, y stands for the final number of bacteria, c stands for the initial number of bacteria, 2 means that colony is going to double, and t stands for the number of doubling cycles. Our first step would be to convert hours and minutes in minutes. So 4 hours and 46 minutes is going to be 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. So this is going to be 4 hours plus 46. 4 hours and 46 minutes. And we are going to get 286 minutes. And our next step is going to be, we have to divide this number by number of doubling minutes. So by 16 minutes. And this is how we are going to find number of doubling cycles. So let's do it. 286 divided by 16 minutes, so by 16 minutes, and we are going to get 17.875. We have found number of doubling cycles. So now we have everything in order to solve this problem. So our calculations is going to be as follows. Y would equal to initial number of bacteria is 14 cells. So 14 times 2 power 17.875, and here is going to be an answer, but we are told that we have to give an answer to 0 decimal places. So we have to get rid of this part, and that means that instead of these two last numbers, we have to put 20 here. This is going to be our answer. 3,365,420 bacteria. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.